everyone, this is Millie from EVANGEL International Company. Today let's see a machine. Let's go! This is an electric articulating boom lift, DINGLI E450AJ. This brand has a long history, about 60 years, and has long maintained a leading position in the aerial working equipment industry. It is suitable for most metal and high-altitude construction scenarios. It offers a maximum working height of 15.72 meters and a platform height of 13.72 meters, with an up and over height of 7.7 meters, enabling it to easily clear the obstructions such as walls, steel frames, and on-site equipment. Now let's move on the platform section. Its rated load capacity is 227 kg, which can accommodate 2 operators together with their working tools. It can fully meet the needs of multi-person collaborative operations. It features a pure electric system and equips a 48-volt high-capacity DC battery pack. It employs a pure electric drive mode, resulting in zero emissions, low noise, and no exhaust pollution throughout the entire operation. Thanks to the above advantages, it prefers well indoor and outdoors, boosts your working efficiency. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for your watching.